What are you doing? What are you looking for? You're looking for Mr. Fly, huh?
On the bus, everyone that ran says he's innocent and he didn't do it. And the corrections officer says,
Where's he at?
and consider yourself a martyr.
Go get
For
him.
the safety of children. And that's what you
Go
are.
get him, sweetie. Where is he?
Hollywood's brother, Ed Armstrong, took the stand.
Where's your little fly at?
He was 14 years old when he last
Huh?
saw his sister on the day she disappeared. Since then, he's become a lieutenant in the New York Police
Huh?
Department. He's also been instrumental
Go
in
get
bringing
him.
this case to trial.
If he has any humanity left in his soul, maybe he'll see that there was an error in his way, and I could forgive him.
I love how she kills flies because I'm stupid enough to leave the door open sometimes.
I didn't care if he ever got a day.
Noah!
Created to a sentence. All I ever wanted was the remains of
Go
my
get him. Go get the
If
fly.
he had anything left, he'll do that for us.
Go get him. Jump.
You Charlie Ann?
Jump.
You were involved in all these searches? Oh, yeah.
Get the... Noah.
How long do you think you searched for her for?
Aww. I love you. I love you. You're such a good girl.